Alright, so I didn't go with raised beds with the pallets. Instead, I did raised beds with the coffee bags, the jute bags here. And then I put it on the side some wood chips. So this is how I did my raised beds. And I got the jute bags for free. All I had to do was buy the wood chips. So for me it was a lot easier, and I'll tell you why. Because I didn't have to run to get the pallets. Running to get the pallets cost us money, and everybody seemed in competition for the pallets. Especially with there's so many how-tos on YouTube to show you how to do it. Everybody wants it for raised beds and things. So it was a competition, and we live 40 minutes away. So it was like, by the time we got there, sometimes there was only one pallet. It wasn't even worth our time. So when I was looking on Facebook Marketplace, and I seen that they had coffee bags to give away. I could not believe it. It was like, this is unreal. It was like a dream come true for me. So I contacted him and I got as much coffee bags as I wanted. So this was amazing. And so literally my raised bags cost me a little bit of dirt, a little bit of wood chips, and that is it. And I didn't have to build anything. No power tools, no nothing. Just on my hands and knees and working in the dirt and planting. That was it. Couldn't have been easier. So I'm very, very happy how things did turn out. Like I said, you always have a vision of a plan, which is your plan A. And then you have plan B that may come along, and it'll be actually better than plan A. So this is one of these times where my plan B is better than my plan A. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and join me on my journey of growing elderberries and aronia. Till next time, bye.